Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. This morning, my name is Mr. Afre, and today I want to show you how to create a very effective page on Facebook. People have been asking me; they want to know how they can be running an effective ad, how to have an effective page that will be working very well for you. So today I decided to use a mobile a phone to teach you that. I will still make a video on how to use a system to do that. Log into your Facebook account, then go at the top left side, the top right side. You see, go down, you see where they wrote pages. Let's find this. You see pages, you click on pages. When you click on pages, you see these are my different pages. So right now I just want to create a new page. So I'll click on the first icon that says create. That's the first icon that says create. So when I click on that icon that says create, I'll type the name I want. For the sake of this tutorial, let me say Afre Tutorial. Let me use the word Afre Tutorial. Okay, I'll click on next. Now, categories has to do with what does the page you are creating, what do you want to be using it for. So you'll be seeing things like fashion. You can type anything. Let's say you want to, as a young girl, you want to create a page that will be into selling of products. Let's say you sell fashion products. You can say fashion, type fashion. Okay, we'll have things like fashion designer, fashion accessories. Let's use the word fashion accessories. Or let's assume you want to create a page, you want to be a content creator, you want to start making comedy videos. You can type comedy videos, comedy. Let's type comedy. You can type comedy. Okay, comedy is not here. Okay, we can type comedian. You see, we'll have comedian here. We'll have an actor. We'll have performance art theater. Let's choose comedian. Now, these categories, you can add multiple things based on what the page does. What this thing does is that this helps you to create a niche for yourself. Like, it helps you for people to get your brand easily based on what you do. So once you're done with that, you say create. So now it's creating that for you. Okay, now it's asking you finish setting up your page. Your contact, you put your web address. If you have a web address, you put there. If you don't have a web address, you can put your YouTube account. Let's say you're a content creator, you can put your YouTube account here. Like, you go and copy the link and put here. Now, all these things is one of the things that will be helping you so that when people search for you online, they can easily see you. So you can put if you have a website address, you put it here. If you have a YouTube address, you put it here. If you have an Instagram address, you can put it here. This is what helps you. Then secondly is location. Where is your business located? This will enable you so that when people that are searching you around, when people that are around your vicinity searches you, they can get you. When people that searches for things you do around you, you can be among those that comes out. Now, when people that let's say you are in Lagos State and somebody wants to come to Anambra State to do a business, they want to search so business in Anambra State so that they can easily find you. So this is where everything comes in. So you must get this right. Then the city and the postcode. The postcode has to do with, it's an internet postcode based on map. This is what helps people to locate you very easily. So you must be, let me click on next so I can show you everything. Please fill up this information. They are very important. Fill up all this information. Okay, let's go there. I will say next. Now you must add your profile picture, the profile of the page you want to create. Okay, let's click on next first, then we'll go on the next. Then you are being asked page notification on your profile. Yes, it's checked on. We'll continue on this. Mind you, I'm using the latest Facebook page update, so it's very important to you do this. So at this moment we are done creating our Facebook page. Let's scroll down and see what we'll have here. You see, so the first thing you must do is that's what we call creating a username. A username is something that enables you. You must create that thing. You already have a name, Afre Tutorial. That's what I use. Then I use a second name. I call it you must create a username. Username is something that when people searches things that about your name can easily come out. Most of us will just create a page, we just create an account. We don't know that it's very important to create a username. So username enables people to search you and get you fast and easily. So how do you create this username? You click on that place I wrote username. Then when you click on it, it's loading. So I'm using my phone to do this so that I know most people use their phones to access internet, to access Facebook. So that's why I'm using my phone to do this for you, so that you understand the processes and how it's being done. Now it's open. Now we see username from here. This username is very important. This is what, when people search you, they can easily find it, your username online. So because I've used the name Afri Tutorial, let's type Afri Tutorial again and see whether that username is visible. Afri Tutorial. Let's see if it's online. Yes, Afri Tutorial is online. You get, is already online. So we can say once you type it, you will see a kind of an icon there by the right, kind of a good. You get a sign of tick good, showing that this name is free for you to use it. If this name is not free, you will not be seeing that. You will see a kind of a cross. Let's assume that we use something like Afri. Okay, you see now, for you to see Afri T, I use Afri T. So say this username isn't available, please enter a username that isn't already taken. So this will enable you to know the name you are using. So if you enter a name you want to use and is already taken, it's of importance to change that name so that people can easily find you. So Afri Tutorial, let's get back to Afri Tutorial, and the name is free. That's why you say this good. We say create username. Now as it's loading, this is very important so that when people search you very well, you say, okay, you are all set. The username Afri Tutorial has been created for Afri Tutorial. You get? So we click OK. Now next thing you have to do is to upload your profile picture, your add cover picture. You add cover picture. Let's add a cover picture. Under here, you just click on camera roll. Let me use anything for the sake of the tutorial. Let me upload anything for the sake of the tutorial. Now we've done this. Click OK. It will appear after loading. Once you refresh, it's gonna appear. Okay, it's still loading up. Something went wrong. Please try again later. Okay, let's add a profile picture. Choose a profile picture. Let's use our current Baba. Okay, let's use this as current. Okay, uploading profile picture. That's what it's saying uploading profile picture. All right, profile picture uploaded. You can see my profile picture is now showing there. You can see that. So let's try adding cover picture again. Okay, it's even there. My cover picture is there. If I refresh now, it's going to come up. Yeah, as you can see, everything is now up. Now you're done with this. Next thing you must do is to invite your friends. Now when you invite your friends, now that this page is fresh, I encourage you to start posting immediately. First thing is to click on this invite friends. So in some phones you see select all. In some phones, depend on the time of the app, the kind of phone you are using for your browsing. Sometimes Facebook, sometimes so they will allow you to select all your friends at once, while sometimes they will allow you to just select them once. So you can just do the needful. I'll select all my friends at once, and then I will invite them to like this page. So once you are done, the next step is to create your first post. By creating your first post, I will just write, thanks for joining me here. I will now share. In my next video, watch out how you can put adverts on, how you can promote your page, how you can make this page go far, how you can make this page for more people to see it, how you can promote and project more content on your page. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget, this is Mr. Afri. Please share my video. Please ask your questions. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. And drop a comment, please. Very important to us. Please comment. Share, please share. Thank you so much.